Hey everybody, this is Rich Noto, Florida licensed realtor, Florida licensed home inspector in Noto Republic. Right now I'm at KB Home in Minneola, and this is the reserve at Lake Ridge. I'm gonna go inside and take a look at this house. It's planned 2178, 2,178 square feet. Let's have a quick look at it. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And at the end of this video, as always, I attach a little video that kind of explains what I do for you in the process. So check it out. We got a bedroom over here. That's kind of nice. We set this up as like a sitting room. So this is actually a bedroom, but of course, you know, you could make it whatever you want when it's your house. Again, over here's a bedroom, and I believe it has a little walk-in closet. It's a little square. And here we have a full bathroom. Laundry room, garage. Got some extra space on the sides of the garage door. Here's a closet. Got a nice lodge room over here. I like this room. So here's your kitchen with the pantry and the island and the sink and the stove and all that great stuff. And here's your living room. Let's go back and just take a quick look at the pantry because I did mention it. Master bedroom. It's always nice to see a large master bedroom. And let's check out the bath. This restroom is temporarily unavailable. Bathroom closet. Your shower, me in the mirror, 2 sinks, and the doorknob's fallen off, or it has fallen off. Here's the closet. Yeah, it's fallen off. And this is your master closet. It's a big closet. It's both long and wide, which is nice. Sometimes they're long but very narrow, but this one has room so 2 people could use that closet without any issue. And thank you for watching. Have yourself a fantastic day. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out and contact me. Now, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out and contact me. I'm No Pressure Sales, and I do work for you and represent you as a home buyer. I do not work for any home builders or represent them. They always work for the builder. And what I mean by they is the salespeople, the sales teams that work at the builders. Now, when you contact me first before heading over to the builder, you won't void your free representation, okay? Now the home builders everywhere do pay for it, but many of them have certain rules and regulations where your realtor needs to be the one to enter the office with you, or even sometimes if you email or call builders, that can void your free realtor representation. Now, one of the great things about calling me first as well is that I like to work with the sales associates that are the best at the builders, the ones that have really good knowledge of the place and also are very low pressure, nice to work with. That's super important. The other thing in the process is, your money. You always want to keep your money safe. Many times home buyers call me after the fact. They contact me when it's too late. They're in a contract and they have problems, and now they're trying to get help from me. And many times they've seen my videos, which they openly tell me. They've seen my videos and then they end up telling me, you know what, you were 100% correct. I wish I contacted you. Now I'm in this situation. So contact me first. Let's have a nice process of finding you a home, a safe process where your money, everything that you do with your money, when you put it down, everything's done correctly. And then after you're in contract, let's make sure that your home is also assembled correctly. A home that isn't assembled correctly and is built poorly, that's not something that you want. So for me, for my home buyers, those are my concerns. I want you to have a nice experience in the beginning. I want you to have the best sales associates where possible. I want you to have a nice process going into the contract. Everything is done safe. And then after that is the home building process. So there's going to be several things along the way that I'm going to do to help you in that. So, don't miss out on it. For you don't pay for the service. You're not going to miss out on any incentives or lose them because you use my service at a builder. The only thing that you will do is you'll miss out on everything that I offer you in the process, because home builders do not reduce the price of a home because you pass on using a realtor. It just doesn't work that way. And many times you end up with the best deals because I'm there with you and I'm able to ask the right questions, okay? Asking the right questions and knowing what to say and how the deals work is super important. So don't be shy. Give me a call, email, or text. Thank you.